Hey guys, Moshe, I want to make this quick video. The electric Israeli is here, of course. I had to reboot my Tesla yesterday because of some glitches and bugs that I have. So first of all, let me just show you how to do that. I'm going to show you pictures because it's hard for me to talk and do the same and film at the same time, and because I need my two hands. So basically, on the steering wheel of the Tesla Model 3, you have two buttons. You put your thumb on the two buttons at the same time. So not one and then the other, two at the same time. And then at the same time, you press the brakes. You put your foot on the brake and then you press the two buttons down. You don't scroll, you press them down until the screen becomes black. And then a couple seconds later, the T, as in a Tesla symbol, will come up, and then you let go of the buttons and the brakes. And then 30 seconds or so later, the Tesla car, the screen will come back to life. Now, why do you do that? To fix bugs. Let me tell you about two bugs that I had last week, and then I did it in the past also. So last week, my phone, so when I received calls or when I made calls, the person was I talking to, couldn't hear me. I could hear them, they could not hear me. So I had to switch to speaker on my phone, which is when you're driving, it's not a good thing to start fidgeting. And also, the radio stopped working. Okay, so you go to a radio station channel, it won't come up. So before you sell your car, trade it, get mad at it and start hitting it, or call the Tesla Center for an appointment, just do a reboot. Most of the time, this will do. And as soon as I did it, I got everything back. You know, Tesla cars are computers on wheel. And then what can you do? It is what it is. It's not fun. But when it happened, the first thing you should think about is to do it in park. You have to be in park. Can't do it while you're driving. Do it when you park. You can be charging it. That doesn't matter. But do it. And this is a good way to fix bugs. I had the issues with my web access in the car, and I did the reboot, and it helped. So hopefully this helped you guys. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.